In this video, we are going to learn how to apply GST at the group level. In a previous video, already we have learned how to apply GST at the company level. Whenever different type of products have same rate, that time this company level GST we can use, or else we can apply company level GST. So if a specific group related items will have a specific type of rate, and then we can use this group level, means whatever items we have placed in the specific group, that all items will be applied the same rate of GSTs. So first we will create the company. Okay, so go to create company here. I will create a company as a Rahul Traders here. Now I will write Rahul Traders. Okay, now take enter, and state is very important here. If you are purchasing or else selling goods in a different state or else in the same state, this GST, different GST, IGST, SGST and CGST will be applied. So that time this state is very important. And here first we need to check the financial year, what year it is taking. See, sometimes by default different date or else financial year it will take here, and GST will be GST has started since July 7, 2017. If the date is below than this date, then GST won't be applied here. First we need to check the date here. Now 1/4/2020 I selected for this company, so I will accept this. Okay, now my company has created, and now what we will do, first we need to set up the GST here. So go to F11, then company feature will be displayed here. Then statutory and taxation we need to click, and here first option we can see, that is the enable goods and service tax. So this option we need to make it as, and next option we can see, that is the set alter GST details. Whatever GST details you have about the company, that GST details we need to set here. So take S here, take enter. Here GST details window will be displayed here. So whatever state we have taken for the company, the same state it will take here. And registration type I will take as a regular, and two types of registration type you will get here. One is a composite and one is regular here. By default will be a regular here. So the same register type I will take here. And here we need to enter the state, GST and number for the companies. So here state code will be 30 for the Goa. So 30 I will take. And first next 10 digit will be of PAN number of a particular company or else owner of the organization. So that PAN number we need to write here. PAN number will be a combination of alphanumeric, means it is a combination of alphabets and numbers. So first 5 letters, and then next 4 numbers, and next 1 will be alphabet for the PAN number, and next 1 number we need to take, and then Z will be a default letter for GST and number. So Z I will take, and next 1 number we need to take, and take enter. And if you have written any mistake here, then it will shows the down. So now we will accept this complete application from, means whatever financial year we have taken, the same financial year it will take here. And in a previous video what we had done, set alter GST rate, this option we had made it as. Whenever you take enter here, what will happen, if you want to apply specific GST at the company level, means whatever items we are creating in the company, for all company items the same rate it will apply. So now I don't want this, so I will escape this. Okay, now I will make it no, because I am applying GST at group level. Accept this. Okay, now Control A to save this window. Okay, now go to inventory infos. First I will create the groups here. Go to inventory info, stock groups, and create. Okay, now here we can see set and alter GST option is displayed. This is what set and alter GST option. Whenever you apply the GST or else whenever you set the GST, this option will be activated for those companies. Okay, now I will create a group as a electronic products. So all electronic items I will place in this group, and take enter. Now I don't change anything for the show quantities, and now take as, and this option I will make it S, because I am applying GST at group level, so this option we need to make it S. So here we need to take as a taxable. Take enter how much percent GST we want to apply for this specific group, that much GST rate we need to take here. I will take as a 18% and take enter. Okay, now I will take one more group, go to create, and I will take one more group as a household items. Okay, take enter, and this option we need to make it as, so here we need to take as a taxable. How much rate is there for household items? Only 12 I will take. Okay, accept this. One more, what I will take? Food I will take, food items. For food items I will take as a 8%. Here I want to select the taxable, 8%, take enter, accept this. Okay, now go to accounting voucher. Now I have not created any items here. I will create items while entering transaction here. Go to accounting voucher. So open purchase ledger here. So press F9 from your keyboard to open purchase ledger, and here I will take invoice number as a 101. So now I will read the transaction here. Rahul Traders purchased 5 Samsung mobile phone from Ramesh, okay, for rupee 15,000 on credit based, and this this Ramesh is from Karnataka. Okay, now what I will do, Ramesh a ledger I need to create here. So press Alt C. So here I need to create the Ramesh ledgers. So take enter. We are purchasing from Ramesh, means he will be a sundry creditor here. So select sundry creditor, and he is from Karnataka. So here I need to take it as a Karnataka, and here we need to set the PAN number, because he is from Karnataka, means state code should be 29. So PAN number we need to write here. So I will take it as a BB. B I will take as a PAN number, and next 4 numbers will come here. Then one letter will come and one more. So take enter here. Take enter, and this option we need to make it S. Okay, now I am selecting regular. Otherwise we can select a composite depending on the income of the particular register. So here we need to select as a regular, because if his income is more than, take enter, and here we need to write the GSTN number for particular register. So he is from Karnataka, means 29 has to come, and whatever PAN number we have taken, that PAN number we need to take here. First 5 B letters I had took, and then 4 numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 I had took, and then the same letter I need to take here, and then one number I need to take, and Z is the compulsory, and then we need to take the one number and take enter and accept it. Okay, Control E to save this, and here he is purchasing, so press Alt C to create the purchase ledger. So here is what purchase account we need to take as a group, and here he is purchasing goods, so here we need to change it as a goods. Okay, next what he is purchasing? He is purchasing mobile phones, so press Alt C to create the items. So Samsung mobiles I will take. Okay, take enter. In which group you need to save this? Electronic. Already GST I have applied for the specific groups, so press Alt C to create the unit of measures. So numbers I will take and take enter. Okay, applicable GST will be applicable, and here I am not making it as a set alter GST details, because I am not applying at the items level. Here GST I am applying at the group level. So already percent I have applied, how much percent I want for the specific items I have already applied for the group level. So now I won't change this at the item level. So goods we need to take here, accept this. Okay, how many goods he is purchasing? How many mobile phones he is purchasing? 5, and take enter. For per mobile phone will be 15,000. Take enter. Okay, now one more transaction he is doing from another, and he is from Karnataka. So here what will come? Integrated tax will come. So our Rahul Trader is from Goa, and he is purchasing from Karnataka, means integrated tax will come here. So press Alt C to create the ledger. So what will come here? IG ST will come here. Take enter. Here is what? Duties and taxes. Take enter. GST. And here is what? Integrated tax. Control A to save this. Okay. Now G integrated tax is coming. Okay. Now if you want to check the analysis, so press Alt A here and press Alt F1. See here, you can see integrated we have taken as 18%. 18% is applying for the mobile phones here. Okay. Now take escape and accept the transaction. And next transaction we can see that is the Rahul traders purchased 3 table fans from Samantha for ₹3,000, and Samantha is from Goa. She is from same state. Now for her state tax and central GST will be applied here. Okay. Now what I will do? I will take invoice number here. So I need to create the Samantha's ledger. So Samantha will write here. He is purchasing from Samantha means he will be a sundry creditor. And S I will take, and he is from Goa. And PAN number we need to write here. So what I will do? A, B, B I will take. It is a combination of both A and B I will take. And here we need to write the number and one alphabet will come. PAN number we need to write here. So take enter. This option we need to make it as regular I will take. And here we need to write the GSTN number. Okay, whatever PAN number we have taken, the same PAN number we need to write here. So she is from Goa means 30 state code will come, and 3AA I had took, and 22BB I had took, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, and next B I had took, and then here what will come? One number will come, Z will come, and then one number will come. Okay, accept this, accept it. Okay, control A to save this, and here what will come? She is purchasing, and purchase account will come here, ledger will come. So next what she is purchasing? Table fans she is purchasing. Okay, press Alt C, it will go for the item creation. So here what I will do? Table fans I will write. Okay, take enter, and here I need to select a group as a household item. It will be under this table fans will be measured under the numbers. So, and this option I am not making as because already I have applied the GST at the group level. So I will accept this. And how much table fans or Rahul trader is purchasing? 3 he is purchasing, and for per table fans will be 3,000. Accept it. And Samantha is from Goa. So here what will come? State tax will come. For this we need to create the ledger. So what I will do? SGST I will take. Okay. So here is what? Duties and taxes. Okay. GST. And here is what? State. Control A. Now GST rate is coming. Enter. And here what will come? Central will come. CGST, duties and taxes, GST, here central will come. Okay, state and central, the same text is coming. If you want to check the analysis, then press Alt A and it will go for the analysis window. So press Alt F1 to elaborate it. So here we can see, say for integrated tax for particular household item 12% we had to. Now central is taking as a 6% and state is taking as a 6%. Okay, escape this and take enter. Next I will go for the sales voucher. Press F8 from your keyboard to open sales voucher. So first I will read the transaction here. Rahul Traders sold 3 Samsung mobile phones to Manisha. Manisha is from Karnataka. For per mobile phone will be 20,000 rupees. Okay, so here I will take as a reference number 301 I will take. So here I need to create the Manisha's ledger. So press Alt C here. So here I will write the Manisha. Okay, take enter. And he is selling to Manisha means Manisha will be a sundry debtors. So go select the sundry debtor and S, and she is from Karnataka. So here I will take as a Karnataka. Take enter. and here we need to write the PAN number of Manisha. So some different PAN number I will write. So BBB, okay, and 2 A's I will write. This we need to remember while entering the GSTN number. So 1, 2, 3, 4 I will write, and here I will write as a A. Take enter. This option we need to make it as, okay, regular. Here we need to write the GSTN number. She is from Karnataka, means state code we need to write as a 29 here. So first she took as a BB, AA, then 1, 2, 3, 4 we had took, and then here is A, and then here we need to write the number, and then Z is compulsory, and here we need to write the number. Take enter. Accept this. Okay, control A, and here we need to create the ledger for a sales ledger. So sales I will take, and here is what sales account we need to take. Okay, applicable, and here is what goods we need to take. We are not making any services here, it is considered as a goods, so we need to take as a goods. Accept this. Okay, now Manisha is purchasing, means Rahul Trader is selling 3 Samsung mobile phones. Already Samsung mobile phones group we have created, and ledger also items we have created. So here I will take as a Samsung phones. Already 5 Samsung phones are there in our Rahul Trader company. So 5 I will take, and here how many we are selling? 3 Samsung phones we are selling. For per Samsung phone will be 20,000 rupees. Take enter. And see, Manisha is from Karnataka. So for Karnataka integrated, here we need to take as a integrated. So IGST will take. Here we can see 10,800 is a IGST, means integrated. Now I will read the next transaction here. Rahul Traders sold 2 table fans to Rakesh for rupee 5,000 on cash. He is selling on cash. Okay. And Rahul Trader is, Rakesh is from Goa. So here I will take as a 401, I will take as a reference number. So press Alt C. Here we need to create a Rakesh account. Okay. Rakesh account will be sundry, getter, accept it. This invoice billing will be S, and he is from Goa. Okay. Here we need to write the PAN number. Here what I will do, A I will write BB, B, because this I am taking because I will remember this letters and numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5 I will take this time. Okay, here I will take as a B. Okay, next one, this I will take as a A. Yes, regular. And here is what? He is from Goa, so state code will be 30. What I took, A I had took, B, 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 B I had took. And next what I took, 1, 2, 3, 5 I had took, and here I took as a B. 1 number Z and 1 number will come here. Accept this. Okay, control A, and he is selling, so sales account we need to take, and what he is selling, table fans he is selling. Already 3 number of table fans are there here, and only 2 he is selling, 2 we need to select, and for each table fan will be 5,000. While purchasing, he has purchased only for 3,000 rupees, but he is selling for 5,000 rupees. Now accept this. He is from Goa, means state and central GST has to be applied here. So type S from your keyboard, and here we need to select the SGST. 600 will be SGST, and here is what? Central. Type C, and here we need to select the CGST. 600 CGST will be applied. So press Alt A to check the analysis, and press Alt F1 to elaborate it. So here we can take for table fans, here 6% and 6% state and central tax, GST it is taken. So escape it and accept the changes. I hope you all understood how to apply GST at group level. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.